Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Jenny Jo. In this video, we will be exploring the class homepage from the instructor perspective. The class homepage is where instructors can upload assignments, maintain the gradebook, store class resources, and communicate with students and parents. It is similar in function to Google Classroom or Canvas. To find the class homepage, an instructor must first log in on the member side of the website, then navigate to the Classroom dashboard page. You might find this in a link or a button on your member homepage, or it could be an option in your main menu or the very top menu. In this example, there is a link in the main menu under Class Info and a menu item in the very top menu. On the Classroom dashboard page, there are three different views: the parent view, the student view, and the instructor view. The instructor view of the Classroom dashboard will display all current, future, and archive classes that the instructor has taught. Select the name of a particular class to view that class's homepage. If you do not see your classes on your instructor dashboard, you can ask your admin to double check that 1, the class is enabled to be seen on the Classroom dashboard, and 2, that your instructor profile is linked to your member profile. On the class homepage, the first thing you will see is the announcements. This is a one-way communication from the instructor to the class. Families cannot reply to the announcements. Only the most recent announcement that the instructor has posted will be visible here. Note that saving an announcement does not cause it to be sent. You have to save and then click the email envelope to send it. Now let's look at the various tabs. The About tab contains the basic info about the class, such as day and time. If there is a syllabus uploaded, it will probably be in the list of class level uncategorized resources. The uncategorized resources will also appear with the class on the class registration matrix. The About tab also has a settings icon. Selecting this will navigate you to the class-wide settings where instructors can upload categorized and uncategorized resources, set the grading scale, add custom assessment categories, etc. You can also edit your class description on this tab. The next tab is Assignments. When the instructor selects the Assignments tab, the system immediately navigates them to the admin side of the class, where they can add and edit assignments. The same is true of the Roster, Attendance, Assessments, and Grades tabs. Once you're in the admin side of the class, you can navigate to those various tools without having to go back to the class homepage. Instructors do not see exactly the same view of the assignment list as the students do. However, they can see the assignment detail page as each student sees it by navigating to a particular assignment and then selecting the little arrow in the student view column. If the instructor allows student uploads or parent grading, this is where families will accomplish that. I also want to point out that instructors have the opportunity to add assignment-specific resources. That could be documents, pictures, websites, etc., that students need to reference in order to complete that particular assignment. These assignment-specific resources will appear here on the assignment detail page. Let's go back to the class homepage. And the next tab is the Resources tab. Here you will find the class level categorized resources. Resources can include things like Word documents, pictures, charts, links to other websites, etc. The next tab is the Media tab. This is where instructors can provide links to Zoom meetings or YouTube videos, etc. The Roster tab. From the roster, instructors can email parents view student allergies and medical info, and view and accept payments if your admin has enabled that ability. This email feature is a private emailing. If parents reply, the message will only go to you as the instructor. If you want to communicate to the class in such a way that people can reply and that the history of the thread will be saved on the website, use class conversations instead. The next tab is the Attendance tab. Instructors can input attendance records by date, view previous records by date, and download an attendance report. Assessments. Assessments allow an instructor to assign marks for the softer skills, such as works well with others or comes prepared with materials. Grades. When instructors first view the Grades and Reports page, they will see a summary of all the students' grades year to date. Instructors can assign grades by the student or by the assignment. Here's what it looks like if you assign them by the student. There's one student and all of her assignments. To assign grades by assignment, you can select the name of the assignment or you could go through the Assignments tab over here. And finally, Conversations. Conversations is where instructors, students, and parents can post and reply to each other in threaded conversations. You can click the little plus sign to skip straight to composing a new thread. To learn more about using the class tools, please see our in-depth videos on each tool. This concludes the training video on the class homepage from the instructor perspective. If you have any further questions, please see your administrator and they can help you.